Ka Jingpyntrei ya ka Projek Smart City hakeleng ki benta jong ka jela kala poi menta syakah nyau poin prap hawai Persen la Pyntip usembut menteri rangba ba sngau bhalang dhar Ïing Dorbar ka jela habaju ba bhalor ka jingkili ba wanra ada MLA ka nong krem ba arden ba sayomoj ba nau nong yalam kaliang persha Dr. Mukul Samla na kaliang usembut menteri rangba ula Pyntip bakin don bun ki projek ki badan kam ban kentup lang haka kala kabaar.
Question number 38. Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to star question 38. Sir, they were all physical achievements of the projects being implemented under the Smart City missions at the end of July 2025 is 77.81%, and the detailed fiscal achievements of each project is as per statement placed on the table of the House.
Remember? Arden?
Sir, we know that Smart Cities is the mission launched by the Government of India 2015, sir, with an aim to enhance and improve the quality of life for the citizens through better healthcare, education, public services, safety and security of the citizens, environment, so on and so forth. So when I look at the components and the projects in this list provided by the government, sir, I could not see any project that will reflect the attempt of the government to improve healthcare, education, safety and security measures and the environment. Whereas the concentration of the government seems to be on the commercial complex. So therefore, sir, may I know the priorities that are prescribed under this mission, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it is a fact that in the first phase, maybe this project laid down is exactly, there is no hell and all this. So I would like to inform to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, in the phase 2, when the Smart City 2.0 started, so we are priority on this. We are trying to post this important project like what he exactly mentioned. Yes, even all these other projects is important, but yes, we already discussed in the department in the next phase of Smart City projects. So we are propose all this in like health sector, water sector, all this important sector. We are already discussing in the department presently.
Sir, according to this reply, the minister, the government has replied that the supply and installation of open-air gyms outdoor at various locations in Shillong has been completed. So may I know exactly the location of these open-air gyms and the total cost of the project?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the total cost project is 5 crores. So, and the places location is one is in Governor House Complex, and it's Mauprem Playgrounds, and Jayao Siap Community Halls, and in Suwats Lakes, in Wahingdo School Playgrounds, Arya Vidyalaya Secondary School, Jalupara Shillongs, and Laban Assamese Higher School Secondary Madan Labans, and Maukar Christian Higher Secondary School, Maukar, and Malki Presbyterian Secondary School, Malki, and Shillong Public Schools, Laimukra.
Next question, please.
Sir, may I request the Honorable Minister to repeat the reply as far as the one open gym at Jayao, where exactly?
Jayao Siap Community Halls.
Sir, I think the Minister is contradicting because in this reply, the answer is supply and installation of open-air gyms outdoor. So how is it that this outdoor will come under the Jayao Indoor Stadium?
Mr. Speaker, sir, because this is the place, so actually it's not mentioned whether outside or inside, but it's the place is in Jayao. So I will examine this matter. If it is not, but exactly it's the outdoor gym. But as per the location mentioned here, it's Jayao Shiap Community Halls. Maybe outside compound, I'm not very sure with this. I'll try to find it out.
Okay, thank you. So,